Welcome. If you want to open apps in pop-up view, for the first you have to open those apps that you want to use. So I'm going for the YouTube, Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Maps. Let's take the Gmail. Right now we have to go right here for the background apps and tap on the icon of the application and select the open in the pop-up view. And here we got the first application in this mode. So let's go for more. Here's the second application. Third, we can open it also. And we can open another one, the YouTube. So as you can see right now, we can work on the 4 apps at the same time. Even on the 5 apps. Okay, that's crazy. And we can still open something in the background. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.